Hello, my name is Geraldo Cardoso de Oliveira Neto. I am from Universidade 9 de Julho, Brazil. Very happy to present this study about the thematic assessment of the sustainable resilience in the textile industry that migrates from credit production to circular economy. Authors, Correia, Oliveira Neto e Tucci. Post-graduation program of Industry Engineer, Universidade 9 de Julho, Brazil. The World Business Council for Sustainable Development mentioned about preserve future generations. Thus, is necessary the adoption of the environmental practices in the industry. The textile industry is highly polluting, especially in the finished part. Thus, it is important to develop strategy based in the circular economy, micro-level circular economy by means of adoption, clean production. It is necessary adopt clean production. Clean production is eco-efficient too. Thus, the first step to promote the circular economy is the adoption of the clean production to promote circularity. Clean production consists in conceptual and procedural approach to production, preventing or minimizing risks to humanity and the environment. The clean production considers all phases of the cycle of life. I mean the material circularity by means of reuse, remanufacture, recycling. Thus, the adoption of the clean production is first and most important step in the circular economy. Clean production and the circular economy are interconnected, allowing the transition by means of maximizing the use of resources by circulating products, components, and materials. Thus, the adoption of the micro-level circular economy is necessary adopting clean production. There is a transition from clean production to circular economy, contributing with the resilient environmental strategies because it promotes a change in operation attitude, maintaining the characteristics of the business. Thus, the study aimed to assess the sustainable resilience by size of the textile industry located in Brazil that are migrating from clean production to circular economy because of the demands of the European market. Research method adopted. First, systematic literature review to identify cleaner production and circular economy practices for the development of the questionnaire, application of the survey, and analysis of variances. The textile industry requires large amounts of water, resulting in the pollution of wastewater contaminated by toxic chemicals. Conclusion: the study higher degree of sustainable resilience on the adoption of circular economy practices in large textile industry when compared to small and medium textile industries. The large textile industries adopted reuse and recycling of textile products, reuse of wastes generated, adoption of closed cycle in the production, elimination of wastes, optimization of water and wastewater use, energy cogeneration, and use of clean energy. Thank you very much.